What up, guys? Today I'm getting the red 300 swap Grom ready for the Hoonigan this versus that race. So what I got going on is I've got, those are the old tires right there. I'm tossing on some PMT soft slicks. So I'm gonna get the wheels taken off and I'm gonna go ahead and swap the tires over just for the race. That way I can get a little bit more traction. I mean, I'm not necessarily worried about it. I'm more necessarily worried about it wheeling, but at least traction won't be an issue. I've had some street races that we've been doing out in like Vegas, and my other bike was spinning off the line. And then I also got some new brake rotors, something a little bit lighter than my current setup. Plus, I shouldn't really be rocking stock ones anymore on this big motor, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and we'll get going with what's next. So, got the rear wheel off. We'll just go ahead and tackle the front. The rear's kind of a pain because it's super tight in here with the fatties, and you got like these weird spacers and stuff, but yeah, let's go ahead and get the front off, and then we'll get these tires dropped off to get the slicks put on. So here's how she's looking, boys. You can barely see, but I got a stock front rim on there with no tire just so it doesn't fall over. I got the stock rear wheel on here. But I got both the wheels off. It's pretty dark in here, but you get the idea. I got front and rear rims off. I got both the slicks right here, and we're gonna go bring them to the tire shop to go get mounted. Let's go. Alright, y'all, we're off to the tire shop. Alright, so we got the slicks on, I got the race gas in, and we're about to go do some testing at the drag strip. So I'm hoping I can put down some solid times. My fastest time before was like a high 8, but back then a lot of stuff was different. I have a lot more experience now, and I'm hoping I can crack some mid 8s off today. There's still more in this motor. If we pull base gaskets out, race compression, I could port the head a little bit more. There's a bunch of things I can do, but as for right now, I don't have time to get all that stuff done before the race, so I'm just gonna go out and do some testing and just try to get some more seat time, man, before we go on the show. So we're gonna go ahead and take this thing out to Verona and see what she can do. I'll see you guys when we get there. All right, here we are at the track. Forgot my helmet, but we're here. We're gonna try to get some passes in. There's only an hour left, so see what we can do. All right, so I'm gonna film this here because we were so short on time. I literally forgot my helmet, forgot my gloves. We drove all the way out there. It's like 40 minutes to go to the track, and I was just like trying to get as many passes as I could. I was only able to get 2 runs for the night, but anyways, this first race is against a Tesla. Tesla's super fast, by the way. But the cool thing about this run is I cut the best 60 foot I've ever cut on this bike, and it was a 199, which isn't amazing by any means. People are doing 1760s on these like all day long, so I still got some seat time to do and stuff to improve on. But yeah, here's a run with the Tesla. Tesla on the left. Alright, this next race honestly extremely surprised me. I did not think that my little Honda Grom would be beating a 700 horsepower Hellcat. Just think about that. A Honda Grom beating a 700 horsepower Hellcat. That's pretty insane to me. And this wasn't even my fastest run of the night. This runner ran a 2.0 60 foot, which really isn't that great. And still was able to run an 8-second pass. But yeah, crazy to me. Just insane that a Honda Grom beat a Hellcat. Just think about that. Well, watch the clip. But yeah, super happy with the testing. I literally only got to do a few passes, but a few is better than none. Not sure who we're going up against during the race, but we'll find out when we get there. But yeah, man, I'm feeling pretty confident. I'm feeling pretty good about it. I had some good runs at the track, some good launches. The bike feels great. It's launching well. I didn't pull the wheel, and I'm still getting some decent 60 foots with some pretty good times down the track. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the Hoonigan This vs. That race. It's coming soon. And man, I'm excited. I'm excited for you guys to see. I'm just still in awe that they would want me with my Honda Grom to go on their show to race. So that's pretty awesome. So I hope you guys are excited. I hope you're as excited as I am, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty stoked to be able to be a part of that. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and see you in the next one. Peace.